Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to draw any shape in Microsoft Publisher software. So you can see I just create a new document, but this is empty. If you want to draw something like any shape, then simply click here home or click insert. So insert, and after that you can see shape. So simply click here on the, you can see the raw like arrow, the down arrow, simply click on that, and here you'll get a lot of pre-made shapes. It's similar to the other like Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, so you can add any shape you want. So simply drag it here, or you can change the color or outline. So simply click on the format and then shape fill. Okay, so you can change the fill, or you can outline, you can change the outline, it's like a stroke, or you can increase it like here and weight, and you can make it. So it's really easy. You can take many shape you want, then go to insert and click shape, and uh, you can edit shape like through, you can see. So you can edit, and you can change shape. So you can, after that you can change your shape, anything you can change. So it's really easy, friend, you can try. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.